Hey guys, how are you? So I just want to show you real quick an example of how you can add a condition to an order. So I thought of this in a way where you can, let's say you're trading the SPY, and you're trading not the SPY shares, but you're trading the options. When SPY reaches a certain price, you want to trigger a market order to buy or sell an option contract, for example. You can do that with Trader Workstation, and it's through using a conditional order. So let's say I program a contract. Let's say this call option right here, 284 call. So I'm going to put in a buy market order for whatever, 2 contracts, and I'll just put a plain market order. Now I'm going to right click on this now, and I will go to modify, and I will click on condition. Now in this conditional menu, I can add a condition of price. Select next on the underlying SPY. All right, are you with me? Now, so that means that I can choose that when SPY reaches a certain price, I want this order to trigger. So let's say, right, we're at 283.50. So let's say when SPY reaches 283.64, for example, I want that order to trigger. Okay, so I'm going to choose that. So now the order is active, and it's going to get triggered as a market order to buy these 2 contracts, but only when SPY reaches that price. Let's see if it gets triggered or not. There we go.
Filled.
Boom. So we got the uptick, and it triggered a market order to buy right away. So now I'm long these 2 contracts here. I can immediately put in an order to sell them, and that'll be a limit order. And I can also place a stop order in that market if I would like. So just for fun now, I've set up 2 orders on this contract. I've set up a stop limit order at a price of 280 with a limit of 279. So if the contract trades at 280, basically it will trigger a stop order to sell with a limit of 279. And I also have a take profit order, a limit order to sell at $3, which is $2 higher than my entry price. So let's see if any of these orders will get triggered. So I believe when the ask ticks above $3, that's when the sell limit order will get filled. In a paper trading account, you can never sell the ask or buy the bid. So let's see if it fills here.
Order partially filled.
Oh no, there we go. The ask was $3 and
Order
I sold it at $3. So that's it. So now I can get rid of
Order
that stop
cancelled.
order. And that's pretty much it. So you can see that I used a stop limit order there. And obviously now that I sold it, the contract is flying to the moon, but that's just how it is. So my daily P&L on that trade was $1. I did demonstrate how to use a conditional order, and you saw that it worked quite well, that when SPY traded at that price, the market order was triggered on this contract. All right, guys, if you learned something from this video, give it a thumbs up. Take care.